What's up, people? Just checking in. After 4 months of living here, I'm finally building something for myself with bamboo. Takes a little time to get set up, but check it out. Here's the bed. Yeah, this is the style and the plan right there, you can see. The only thing is, these will be on the inside, and these long pieces, these will jettison all the way out, but the base will stay the same. So here, the base comes out, but on the tops, the supports come all the way to the end. Actually, they come out a little further on the headboard side, because what we're going to do is I'm going to run the boards to like here. I'm going to build a little angle, a little like angle type of thing, just to lean back on. Lean back. Lean back. So yeah, I'm pretty psyched. All the pieces turned out. Yeah, it doesn't look good now. You can see all the wood up close. It looks all functified, but I'll be cleaning all that up. You'll be surprised with a spot shine, some stain, and some varnish how good these pieces are gonna look when it's done. And these are just spares. I might use them as planters for inside my furniture to have that kind of gaping hole for any particular animal to come up on it. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to fill these holes. There's only like one for every leg. Each one of these needs to be filled. So what I figured out is I'm going to take small chips of bamboo. What's up, guys? Alright, so this was my idea. These are all pretty short pieces. And I'm slowly stuffing them in. I feel like Johnny would be proud of this. That's the leg for the bamboo bed. And then we need to find a fill for the inside. I just used scrap bamboo. I'm going to poly over all this and hopefully be able to bang it in so it's perfectly level the whole way. It's going to take some patience. I'm just fill in some smaller pieces. But see how it goes. I'm liking it. I have to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 times, maybe 5. So we'll see. Alright people, here it finally is. Bamboo bed selfie. No. Sorry, a little excited. This is not perfect, so I built it just like life. It's all good. I am feeling pretty excited about the results. Little bamboo pins holding kind of holding everything. Little space for the feet at the end of the bed, and that's for the computer. And this is a little long because the plans changed, and I had cut these way before I changed the plans, but I don't know, looks like a good place to dry some socks after a run. Yep, that's what it is. There's my sock drying rack at the end of the table, on the end of the bed. Alright, hold on one second. I don't know if I got the last view of the bed on tape because it stopped at some point while I was working. I don't know what point. Perfect. So that's how you make a bamboo bed, I guess, and gonna do better next time. But got a place to sleep off the floor. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Be good with your damn selves. Put that thing on a Rio Naranjo and boat that shit to the Pacific, man. Let's go.